So, you want to get your hands on this new sponsorship button from YouTube to earn more money. Let's do this.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Hello folks, welcome back to vidIQ. My name is Rob. If this is your first time here in these glorious surroundings, we are the YouTube tool and channel that aims to help you get more views in less time. And one of the ways YouTube may be helping you to get more money in less time is through this brand new sponsorship button. Now, before we go into any of the details, I'm afraid there's some bad news. This tool is only available to channels of over 100,000 subscribers currently. So it's no easy way to avoid the YouTube Partner Program with its 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, big long wait until your channel is reviewed and processed. Yes, it's a closed beta at the moment, so it will probably roll out to more channels in the future. We just don't know when and at what limits they will be. If you do want to find out whether you are eligible for the sponsorship button, your first port of call should be status and features in the YouTube Creator Studio. There's a box there which will tell you whether or not you are eligible. As you can see, even though we do have more than 100,000 subscribers here at vidIQ, we haven't been selected for eligibility, so it is slowly rolling out to all channels. And if there are any channels you see with the sponsorship button under 100,000 subscribers, they've been allowed into the beta test program. And of course, there are YouTube gaming channels which will also have a sponsorship button because it's been around there for a number of years now. Now, if you're on the other side of the fence and you want to sponsor a channel, you will find the sponsorship button on the channel homepage. You'll also find it on watch pages and live streams, and when you click on it, you'll be presented with a screen that looks something like this. This is Tim Schmoyer's Video Creators TV sponsorship, and the cost is fixed at $4.99 or however much it is in your particular part of the world. That is not a value that can be changed at the moment by the video creator, and you'll get a custom set of options set by the video channel. For Tim Schmoyer's channel, we get these emojis that we can use in live chat, but he's also going to be doing exclusive things such as monthly live chats, Q&As, and those sort of things. So depending on the channel that you sponsor, you'll get special access in some ways to more of their content and these wonderful emojis. To be eligible for the YouTube sponsorship button, there are more requirements than just 100,000 subscribers. You also need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, over the age of 18, be in one of these countries, and there are additional rules for MCNs. Now, also, as regards to that $5 a month, there is a split. You take 70% of it, YouTube takes 30% of it. Let us know what you think of that. It's non-negotiable, so yeah, interesting cut there. This now brings 3 direct ways to a video creator to earn money directly from YouTube. Those being AdSense, YouTube live stream super chats, and now the YouTube sponsorship program. But there are still many ways to earn income from outside of YouTube, where the majority of the larger video creators will be earning their income from sponsorships, brand deals, even alternative sponsorship platforms like Patreon, which is now, I guess, a direct competitor, but that still gives you a lot of freedom in terms of the amount you can charge your sponsors and the content that you can provide to them. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on what you think of the YouTube sponsorship program. Let's put aside the 100,000 subscriber issue for a moment and ask the question, if you had the opportunity to charge a direct fee to your audience, whether it be $5, $10, whatever you think would be appropriate for your audience base, would you do that? And do you think you'd be able to provide the content that would keep them invested in you as a personality, a brand, a YouTube channel? Invest in your story. Let us know in the comments below. Enjoy the rest of your video making day, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.